Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima, the morning news read by Matsina. Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio has said that the tourism is not just visiting and seeing new places. It is about experiencing new culture, understanding the diversity of life, and looking at the world with new eyes. The Chief Minister was speaking at the inauguration of the International Tourism Mart 2021 in Kohima last evening. The Tourism Mart, which is an initiative of the Ministry of Tourism, is being held in Nagaland for the first time. The Chief Minister said tourism sector has been especially impacted on account of the pandemic, assuring that the state government has taken all precautions and safeguards in opening the mart. He expressed hope that this event will bring together the tourism business fraternity and entrepreneurs from the northeastern states and give a boost to the sector. Rio said the International Tourism Mart is the right initiative of the Ministry of Tourism for promoting tourism in the northeastern region. He said it rightly showcases the great opportunity and potential, the cultural wealth and scenic beauty of the region that it provides for the tourism sector. The Chief Minister called on the delegates to deliberate and find new ideas to harness the full tourism potential in the northeastern region. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio said officers posted in the state capital have to contribute not only for their departments but also towards all-round development of the capital town. Rio said this while addressing the Kohima District Planning and Development Board DPDB Day Out Come Pre-Christmas held at Zer Resort in Kohima yesterday. Stating that the activities of Kohima Smart City has geared up, Rio emphasized on sanitation, adding that cleanliness of the whole district of Kohima, including the villages, should be maintained. Informing that the Cultural Hall near NSF Martyrs Park will be inaugurated on 1st December. He said, the Cultural Hall is a national and international standard hall which will be a center of activities. Rio also informed that in order to promote singing, a choir singing competition with a total prize money of 5 lakh rupees will be held on 8th and 9th December. Nagaland recorded 56 positive cases of COVID-19 and 1 death in the past week. According to the weekly COVID-19 bulletin issued by the Department of Health and Family Welfare Integrated Disease Surveillance Program, 3,138 samples were tested during the past week with a positivity rate of 2%. The total number of vaccine doses administered during the week was 24,143. Meanwhile, the Department of Health and Family Welfare has appealed to the citizens to remain cautious during the festive season. Stating that vaccination remains the safest way out of this pandemic, it said vaccines have been proven to be highly effective, even against new variants of concern like the Delta. The department further strongly recommended safety measures such as wearing masks and isolation and testing of anyone with COVID-19-like symptoms. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people in the country and abroad in the Man Ki Baat program on All India Radio today at 11 a.m. It will be the 83rd episode of the monthly radio program. It will be broadcast on the entire network of AIR and Doordarshan, AIR News website and News on Air mobile app. It will also be streamed live on the YouTube channels of the AIR News, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. AIR will broadcast the program in regional languages immediately after the Hindi broadcast. The regional language versions will also be repeated at 8 p.m. And as India achieved the milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors, nurses and others who made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get vaccinated at the earliest and also help others to get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 1075 and state helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we have come to the end of the morning news. Have a good day.